Yeah, you guys, you see it? My retwist. What? What's up, you guys? It's Jessica from TwincessTresses here with another video. All right, you guys, so this is what's happening. I got locks, as you guys can see from my last video. If you have not, go check it out. Subscribe to this channel while you're at it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, I decided to do my own retwist because I'm broke and I can't afford to be out here spending $65 to $120 every 2 weeks. So I just decided, okay, this looks simple. Some palm rolling, some twisting, I can do that. Okay, so I learned how to do a retwist, and I think I did pretty alright. This is my first time doing a retwist, first time using these clips, and no products. This is just water, so I think I did pretty good for the first time. So I'm just going to be taking out these clips really quick. So let's do that. Let's see if my twists stay once these clips come out. And anything could go down because I didn't really know how to clip these, and then I figured it out. Okay, one side has a flat side, one side is raised. I was like, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, steak. Alright. Oh, I only did the front of my hair because I just wanted to see if I could do this. I'm probably going to end up doing the back later on too. Definitely, actually. So those are looking pretty straight. Alright, let's remove these clips. Get them out of here. Get them out of here. Also, you guys, I started my locks in February. This channel is me and my twin sister. I'm Jessica, by the way. Her name is Nina. And we're definitely going to be creating more videos in 2020. 2019 is over. That year of change. We just moved to Atlanta this year, literally a few months ago. So this is a fresh start for us. Just got locks, a lot of changes, you know what I'm saying? So we want to take you guys on this journey, this hair journey, this lock journey, to show you guys the process of having locks, maintaining locks, and of course, just what it's like to have locks. And so far, it's the best decision we've made ever to get locks. We're very low maintenance. And so I went natural because I'm low maintenance and because of self-love and all those reasons, of course, same reasons that most people went natural during the natural movement of 2010, 11. Well, you guys know what I mean. But so went natural, but ended up wearing my hair in a puff for years. Ended up not doing my hair, not taking care of it. Ended up being a lot of work. So locks turned out to be perfect for my lifestyle, for everything, and so I am not looking back. This is how the locks are looking right now. With the back's not done, just the front's done. So I think I'm gonna go in the back and do those as well. But I think I did a good job on my first retwist, just the front. So yeah, okay. That means that, yeah, I'm never paying anybody for this. I'm about to learn how to do these intricate hairstyles. Y'all, it's gonna be OV. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be inserting a clip here. Alright, you guys, here is the outcome. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Hit that like button. Me and my sister Nina will be making more videos here on this channel. So be sure to subscribe wherever that button is. Hit that button, subscribe, like, hit some comments. Have you started locks? Are you natural? Are you thinking about getting locked? Let a chick know what is up. How are you liking your locks? Are you thinking about getting them, and why? Alright, y'all. Until the next video. See you later, alligators.